If this person right here got a problem with here, don't didn't be here for. It's sitting right there, and there's lot 22 on Purple Road, 1330. He got a problem with his tar line, and I'm gonna contact the owner. That will hit hard that did the lot. I did watch the video feed. There is lot 22 right there. He got a problem with the toy. Was it that thing, buddy? You don't have to run right there. I'm turning the top. And I'm gonna be contacting the owner too. Of the teleport. Then that thing hit that toy, I don't know, more than 5 minutes. I made her a phone call to the owner. That is lot 2020. There is lot 22. 1330 Purple Road in Hempelville. And I know where the family live at too, little boy. If you got a problem with the law, you need to watch the news. To the people that be posting it too. You think you're the only one around here that do it? There are a lot of people out here we throw it, so there are a lot of neighborhood walk around here with body camera. I don't know what he trying to prove, so anyway, I'm gonna sit up here. But depending, he needs to be what way it is said. But then that time I knocked him with the way. So anyway, depending, he needs to be what. So I'm gonna sit here and watch him with the light on. He wants to all right now, does it? Facebook Live. And also gonna be on YouTube too. His license plate number is 2162 BBT. VA license plate. And I'm also gonna be putting that in my computer when I get back home. So this one right here is also EY said. This one is EYJBC VA license plate. But this brother right here, he let it be here though. It's funny. But then on 30, Purple Road all the way through, that's a 35 mile hour. And I know who he hit too. It was done on purpose. That's all you need to throw down. You don't listen. Telling him, I don't go home and do my bad. Because it put me to make it to them what? And prove who I am, I don't be in the bad. So I got to over here and go do my bad. So I put one eye, I put the put him on. I mean, this boy right here, he needs to watch. He needs to be watched 24/7, especially at night. So he must be doing it at night. So anyway, the time is half around 2:05, and right now it's 2:10. So he needs to be watched, but he does it on purpose. I don't know what the fuck his problem is. All he do is hitting that red button when it's on the line. You can't play on any kind of animal. A cat. You can't play on a cat because a cat is too late for a vehicle. Put the alarm door off. And I know about the new vehicles. If you hit the hard enough, the car alarm door off. Because of the weight of the sensor. But anyway, the next minute of all, I'm going to be talking the cop. And I'm doing noise paint. Because I did at midnight in it, but this is it right now. Noise paint at midnight. Back when the car's on, it had to noise paint. He had that done all the way up to 5 minutes. It was lot 22. That's the lot number. I don't know what the hell the problem is. He must have a problem with people coming up in here. Well, there are a lot of people that sit in the back hard in that doorway here. I never heard a lot. Other than they family member been doing it, I've been seeing people here doing it. And not that the J.I. neighborhood lot do it. I have told every other neighborhood lot. You told this one on say the J.I. and non-profit, we do a lot more than neighborhood lot. We have a downplay and everything. And that I know. Home and out week. But with him at that tall on doing off, not don't do nothing. Even though he doing public. He not waiting all time. He ain't waiting my time either. Now he won't be watched 24/7. I had no problem with that. Well, I am gonna be pushing the door at me and letting them know that in the trailer fight the tall line done all over here, but nobody even trying to take his vehicle. And he know that. He know that nobody trying to take his vehicle. That's throwing on the door for no reason. And I bet the people over here didn't tell it too. Telling the telling the owner that told the cop. What needs to go on. They need to put the law out. I don't know why people will play the cop. It's the noise paint. The owner don't need to know everything. I know who the owner is that I was over there at the trailer fight yesterday around midnight. I did the trailer fight to 10 to 11. Then I moved over there. And that way over there by Tahoe Bill and Tilt Out. I don't know the area. The name of the world. The other bit by Top Line. I was over there. I didn't tell for be it that come up in here, but in the back truck over there. I did it on purpose because they like to follow me. I know that I contact the owner. All I had to do is contact the owner and tell me where they live and where they do. Ain't that hard. But what I'm not telling people, all I'll do is they have to be here to them and have to GPS and see where they been. Ain't that hard. So this man right here, he got a problem with the person that are walking right now. He had tongue on them for 5 minutes. For no reason. I was out here the whole time. Now I was just sitting down there. I walked the tall on door up for 5 minutes. Ain't nothing even happened. And it is lot 22. 13-3. Postal code low. Info VA. 22801. That's tiptoe. I will be putting his ad track at the end of the ad team. I'm not doing it now. But at the end of the ad team, I edit it. Tell his chicken shit. He don't want to do it now. There's somebody out here. He doesn't have the one though. I see the prime moon. He doesn't have the one though. He don't want to do it now. I will be throwing the whole time down there. And the whole thing. Besides, I came up in the window. You know what I'm doing now? It's chicken shit. Too chicken to do it now. So I'm right there. The last time I did, I had one. I was bartending live on up live. That's the name of the bartender in that. No, we won, but it is a team bathroom for 15 touches. He chicken shit. He don't want to do it now. Chicken shit. Because he know he doing it to the wrong person. Yeah, everything I've been coming up here around 10. And to the total part, it will you do neighborhood watch and towing at the same time. Chicken shit. He had a fucking towel. He don't want to do it then. He know what we doing. He know that 1% food. They know that I came up in the morning, but I move him all the time. He don't know this whole deal. They do that all the time because they're a red dot. He don't know I got another camera sitting there with no light. Nobody do. Because whenever I did, when I put it out with CVS custom camera on CVS, I'll be doing that one. That's like $40. Not $40. Maybe not if to. $40, that's $40. But most a lot of people out there doing it in it. So he will be talking about with his asset online. I mean, he doing the thought and prove it. I already talked to him one time. I talked to him and said, he said, after a woman who said that I'd do it then, they would come out here then. And what they would know, because everything being through it. And why I said it, everything being whole. We throw in everything. In the data plate, they know what I said. All they do is listen to the Victoria and never come in. I thought number one time for the day in know your paint. What the hell you need a hog on doing all? What the hell is that really gonna do? Here's the thing is, nobody do a tons on it even though somebody hit there. If somebody play in your house and you do a tons on it, well here's the thing. This motherfucker's not doing the one away. He don't bite you inside the head. With that Tarzan going off, nobody don't heal you. Tarzan louder than a voice. Hear that thing, that's the thing. Tarzan, people. It's the Tarzan, people. It's louder than a voice when somebody bite you inside the head. If it was somebody there, you won't hear nobody biting you. Go on the other side. Don't let me soup it. If you had told it to me, oh, he see me. He's looking way at me. I go way at him. I'm way at him that. Hey, go down the window. Did you not see me down there?
I did.
Alright, why did you not move the steering wheel?
Huh?
Why did you not move the steering wheel?
It's in the wheel?
No, the steering wheel right there. You didn't move over. You not talk to me.
No, I was giving my mom ride.
I know, but down there at the beer pump, you didn't talk to me.
Do I have to talk to you?
No, you didn't talk to the vehicle when I was walking on the side.
I saw you.
Alright, you need to tell a person wait 5 feet of a vehicle to walk on the side of the road. At the law.
So what do you want me to do?
I'm just letting you know, it wait 5 feet at the law for a vehicle in a foot. For a foot to be, and not a sidewalk down there.
Okay. Next time
I'm
I'll
just
do
letting you know.
that. Okay.
Cause I had too many people in the trailer park that tried to run me over on pulpit.
Mhm.
And I'm just also letting you know that y'all who on camera
Mhm.
did put my safety when I'm doing neighborhood walk up and down.
Because I saw you when you were close to me, but before I didn't even see you. I
Alright,
saw you when you're just like
coming around the corner.
yeah. But it's okay. I'll take care of it.
Alright,
Tomorrow, next time,
you
I'll
did
make sure.
you did do it on pulpit.
No,
Alright,
why should I do that? You're a human being, you're just like me. I
I know,
respect humans.
I had people up here that did it on pulpit.
No, I don't do that.
I did let you know that I don't see you one time.
No.
Alright,
So you the security guy here?
no, I'm a neighborhood watch. I live here, but I'm a neighborhood watch.
No problem.
Alright,
Because I love people and respect people.
alright.
You
I had
guys-
no problem with you if you didn't see me.
Yeah, I don't have to do that to you because I respect people.
Alright,
Because we are human beings. You take care of me, I take care of you.
alright.
Yeah.
Did I
What's
have
your name?
my name on the internet? I do it by a talk way.
Mm-hmm.
That is
Mm-hmm.
no AOTKWAVE.
Wow. My name is James.
Alright,
Yeah. Pleasure to meet you, man.
alright.
Next time I see you, bam, I will just make sure you pass by, then I move.
Alright, did I have people in the tell about that time run me over on pulpit?
Mm-hmm.
Because they don't want me to be up here, but I
Oh, really?
also live here.
Oh, gee.
I also live here, but I'm also a neighborhood watch. So I do my neighborhood at the same time when I don't do all the other ones.
But you're doing a good job, though.
Yeah.
Well, at least you keep people safe, you know?
Yep.
If you see anything, let police know, stuff like that. It's really good. I'm very impressed. You look good to be a policeman.
Yep. I'm not top.
All right, my man. Take care.
Yeah, I'm not top. Yeah, with him and I don't have a problem with it. I usually don't out here about 1 o'clock around heat time. Now they don't want to turn at this time. But there's a lot of people in the trailer park that don't want me doing it, but that's exactly why we told myself. Yeah, when I be doing me a body cam, I really don't have to do much Facebook Live. I'm able to do it with Alpha Free. Yeah, told me them the CVS down the road, they don't have them top 10 body camera. They tore out. I mean, that was really fat. He tell you he used to have it like a couple months though, the CVS down the road from me. Down there by McDonald's. Say he used to have it. I don't think he even know what the hell I'll be on talking about. I don't think he even knew what I'm talking about. He said no. All he knew he had a body camera. He looked like Melville. I would think he would know that what he sell. I mean, I would think he knew what he saw. But look around him, he didn't have to what I'm talking about. All he knew I was talking about a body camera. But anyway, with anything that you're both walking right now, whoever walking, I think anything might be sleeping. So with anything, you ever do watch that replay, I need to know the outlet of that CVA and where that CVA is after that if you can't tell me the outlet. Take it to about it. So whoever walking, whoever just saying that. Whoever that one on there, whoever just saying it. Sometimes I do. So anyway, I'm gonna end that thing from right here and I'm gonna move on somewhere else.